Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Here is Sadia Naseem, your botany teacher from Bahia Foundation College, Nashir of Rose. Students, as we are going to start our chapter number 5, growth and development in plants. So, let's start the topic. Growth and development in plants. In case of lower plants, like algae or bryophytes, all body of plant shows growth. ओके प्लांट की पूरी बॉडी जो है उसके अंदर ग्रोथ होती है, हर रीजन से ग्रोथ हो रही होगी. बट इन केस ऑफ हायर प्लांट्स के अंदर थोड़ा सा केस डिफरेंट होता है. हायर प्लांट में देयर आर सम स्पेसिफिक ग्रोथ रीजन्स, सम स्पेसिफिक growing points या growth regions in the plant. These are known as meristem. Okay, some specific growth regions, these are called the meristem. They consist of group of cells which are capable of division. Now meristematic tissue is that type of tissue which consists of the cells which are capable of division. These cells are living thin walled cells. Their wall is very thin. Living cells, thin walled cells, and they have capacity to divide rapidly. Okay, they give rise to new group of cells. They are found in the stem and root apex and constitutes apical meristem. Look at this plant. The meristem which is present at the tip of the root or tip of the shoot. This is known as apical meristem because it is present at the apex of the root or shoot. This is also an apical meristem because this is present at the apex of the root and shoot. Their activity result in primary structure of plant or primary growth. Apical meristem is responsible for the primary growth in plant. Okay, apical meristem is responsible for the primary growth of the plant. Now what about the secondary growth? For the secondary growth, there is another type of the meristem which is the lateral meristem. The lateral meristem is also known as cambium. There are two types of cambium, vascular cambium and second one is the cork cambium. It is responsible for the secondary growth in the plant. Okay, cambium is responsible for the secondary growth of the plant. Apical meristem is responsible for the primary growth and lateral meristem is responsible for the secondary growth of the plant. Okay, the cambium which is the vascular cambium present between the vascular bundle, xylem or phloem, and cork cambium is present in between the cork cells or cortex. So these are the tissue which are responsible for the growth of the plant. Okay, you read this topic very carefully. In our next video we will discuss about different phases of the growth. Okay, read the topic carefully and also memorize the definition of apical meristem, lateral meristem. Okay, Allah Hafiz.